If you're tired of running out of cloud storage, this is for you. So for the longest time, I just kept deleting images and videos so I didn't have to keep increasing my cloud storage and didn't have to keep paying for this ridiculous cloud storage. I honestly didn't know what to do, but then my friend actually told me about Omega DataCube, and this has been a game changer, let me tell you. Guys, I cannot believe how easy and effortless using the Omega DataCube was, and I am not particularly good with technology, like at all, but the DataCube doesn't require any knowledge. It's amazing. It's as easy as charging your phone. You don't even have to think about it, let alone spend hours finding and uploading all of those files manually. Even with the cloud, that used to be so much work for me. It was honestly so daunting, but the DataCube does it all for you automatically. I was so surprised by how easy this is. It's a secure backup device that attaches to your charger and automatically backs up your phone and tablet's files while it charges. So essentially, it's effortless. I'm the least tech-savvy person, and the fact that this was so effortless for me is amazing. I was so shocked by how easy this was. Okay, so what's really cool about the DataCube is that it collects all types of files, from photos and videos to music files. Maybe you have a lot of music on your phone, documents, contacts, and even more. It's amazing. Like, I cannot believe this little thing does so much. I also love that it organizes all of my files, and it makes it so much easier to find and share special memories and photos. And also, it is a one-time purchase and doesn't have any ongoing fees, which is amazing because, you know, I used to pay these ridiculous subscription fees for all these other storage sites out there, and the cloud, I mean, honestly, that's a scam. This is a one-time purchase. It's amazing. And I just love knowing that my phone is decluttered and has so much space. It's amazing. It even loads faster. It's crazy. Like, I could not believe it. Once I started using this, I noticed that my phone is a lot faster. I highly recommend DataCube to anyone who has lots of files on their phone or their tablet.